unsweetened chocolate. Cocoa nibs have been ground down like this for thousands of years. Milk dark chocolate.
Our pressing machine that uses fresh milk to make all of that milk meets our high quality standards. Once it passes this is where the art of chocolate making all comes together. As the mixture cooks, it begins to form delicious. We feed the chocolate crumb through steel rollers that grind and refine the chocolate until it reaches a smooth.
Conching machines use big granite rollers to smooth and transform, refining the rich flavor and color.
Roasted California almonds. Next, we pour the milk chocolate into mold. Thank you, everyone. Bye.
Come visit us again soon.
Please remain seated until the door.
كل حتى باع اسمه كلها يلا يعني ما مسوي مال